So I thought I'd do a little intro at the end of the video. I don't know why. Basically what we were going to do was just record it and put a short on, but we're getting a few minutes of footage, so we'll put a video on. So we're going to be doing this hornbeam. It's done.
There you go.
No, it's just a little short video on this hornbeam. I hope you like it, and let's get into it. So we have a hornbeam to play with. Ray's fetched it over to play with. Hi Ray. What we'll do is we'll just get little bits of video footage of this as we go on, and we'll just keep revisiting and see what we can make out of this. So we're getting all the wire on Ray's tray now. He's hiding over there off camera. I think he's shy. Can it be shy?
Best place
He's
for
from
us.
fence houses. He can't be shy. So what we're going to do now is take it out of this soil and see what we've got, and see where we can get the better angle of the tree. We do have one problem with this tree. It's grown like flat way as that side, but all the movements in here, so we'll not know until we get under there what we've got. So we'll get the crop catcher out and we'll have a look to see what we've got. Yes, it's not tied in. Oh, bloody put the foot paste on when we finish. It just keeps handing on my fingers.
Well, aye. Can you have it?
This looks alright.
For 1 year, doesn't it? For 1 year.
Is that all it's been in 1 year?
Aye. I've got it last of January, aye. Mix is not bad for that.
It's not bad mix that actually.
It's all the roots be at the top. Sitting at the bottom. It'll just get cut off with the juice.
Why? We've got a few high roots which we can take off. We'll see what's underneath first. Nice mix that now.
It is, plus the air pot will help, like.
Mint and air pots, aren't they?
Yeah, aye.
Because they just grow. Yeah, it hits them.
Come back,
aye.
I think it's finer roots.
Pond baskets, aren't they?
Yeah, I tell you.
I've got a load in the pond. I put loads of lilies in, but the duck ate the buggers.
Duck.
That's got good roots.
It has. I'm very surprised. It's only here.
Done well. Must be you mix them, yeah.
Well, that's what's that's for, I think, rather than. Well, that's high root at that side, isn't it?
Not there.
We'll see what the angle's like.
I think you see how that's maybe it's too high.
It looks it, doesn't it?
But you've got all that on the bottom.
Aye.
Do you know what I mean?
Is it?
Because he's in the barry down here.
Yeah.
So you spread when you're in the barry there.
Mm-hmm.
So there's no way we can't have that up there, you know what I mean?
Definitely not.
We'll get rid of that daft little stump there now. Oh, hey, they're on here.
They're like gone off in the latte.
We've got stuff down there.
Have we?
Aye. We'll get sort of that.
We've got to come off.
It's got to come off, mate.
I knew I'd put it pretty deep in the pot. Like.
Right, that's the best way. Because if the roots fail at the bottom, they come out there, you can always chop the bottom off.
Yeah.
Should I add some Fosters?
Oh, I didn't start that. Do you think I'd like to go back into the pond basket for another year, right? No.
Why not?
No, not now.
Plenty of root on here, mate. I just want to try and clean that. Well, up a bit. Something like that, isn't it?
Yeah.
You like to clean these cuts up next time, wouldn't you?
I will, mate. Aye.
I'm just going to tap them back
Just
for
get
now.
them off fire and clean them up.
I think it's something like that, aren't we?
Well, there's nothing alright then, to be honest. That turned a little bit, showing a bit better the thickness on that bottom trunk rather than the skinny bit in it. Aye.
It's something like that.
Coming forward a bit now, so.
I don't know. I'll take the eye off it. The green scissors, man. Just going to take a bit of length off the top.
Yeah.
Say it's all about you have to care what you've got a poly from, haven't you?
Yeah, aye. 2 undergrounders.
Oh, yeah. On the allotment.
Aye. That root's a bit funny, isn't it? Does it point down or does it?
Nah, it's just
see
coming
what
up in
angle
the air.
we're going to get? Or?
Aye. An angle.
That's the angle it's got now. Ah, there was stuff underneath in it.
Oh, there's got plenty under there, mate. Loads. When you're looking at that now, it spreads.
Yes. better, doesn't it?
Still gonna have a little bit flat bit there, but
Yeah.
Yamadori's there, comes up and goes round. Right, what pot we can do?
You can only do what you do with collected stuff in it. Do you think that pot will be alright, lad? Some of that on the air pot.
Rhea's just been saying, I can't believe how much wire you waste.
Well, you can throw some wire.
Putting us off when it's creaking when I'm moving. I think it's going to fall apart.
You've got plenty of glue, have you?
Oh, I've got some up there.
Oh, yeah, alright.
In fact, I should hoist some in, shouldn't I? Before we go any further.
That'd be alright, wouldn't it? The wire's holding it, I think. Kind of drop the bits.
Kind of grumble he made it himself.
That's it. It's anywhere ready for a good pot yet. Solid, aren't it? It's soft as muck, mate. Soft as bloody muck. Yeah, hold it there. Well, wait for the tripod, right? Well, it's definitely picked the best front.
Nice moment in this from here. Be a nice try this.
If I didn't kill it.
Yeah, not kill him. I think your pot's got more chance of fucking dying before the tray.
Aye.
Once the first flush of leaves hard enough,
Yes, after that.
just fucking hammer it with your fertiliser.
Well, I couldn't find a front with you of.
It's about there. Maybe somewhere around there.
Well, it's in a round pot. I mean, it's like.
It's a shame that.
I know.
Never mind. It is what it is.
You get what you get, didn't you, when you're tired?
Why it's not?
Has it?
I'm not going crackers with it now.
Well, it's pretty solid, isn't it, really?
It will be once we get the soil in, and
Yeah.
the most important thing, taking your wires on the bottom of the pot.
Yes. When push comes to shove, I can put 1 hour on.
See, that looks alright there, but that head's going away from you. I still think that's a better front.
Only just normal, just short ones.
Just pruning shears, I just pull them out. I don't know. It's happened for a spare pair if you want.
Sorry for blunting, aren't they?
Maybe we should have an oblong pot and sew it off centre.
Yes. I
Is
see
that
what you're
next
saying.
time?
Yes. You're right there.
So we'll be on like an oblong pot, sew it off centre.
Nice. We'll see
And
you.
it's over the pot,
So
you
you
know.
were right, really, but I'll get an oblong pot for next time. Only ones I've got like that's the little ones, the smaller ones.
What we'll do is we're going to give it a drink of water now, get cleaned up, and then we'll come back now. A little bit basic shape into the tray. We know these branches on the right hand side are a little bit sparse, but we're just going to let them grow out, thicken up, and keep an eye on the wire this year, because this will bite in pretty quick. And you're going to carve that later on, aren't you?
Yeah. Get rid of it.
Now we're pulling it up the tail. Do you want no pruning off, or do you just going to prune it when it grows,
As long as it's loud going,
then come back to some buds?
I think so. After the first, maybe after the first flush.
Now, if you take that off from there,
Yeah.
then you'll have your movement.
No, it'll be a lot better with that going.
Once you see where our leaves are growing, you can cut back all this side, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
And just let that one
Let that run.
flourish.
Then you can clip some of them back if you want, right?
Might just take the tips off. You know.
It's just to back and back put a bit in. There you go. There you go.
Was these thick branches on when you collected it, like?
Yeah. I just took the one big one off the other side, but I just took, didn't suffer on cutting that, and then I just got it off. The one on this one, which is like going to be on the front of it now.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. I'll clean that up and off.
Put that one in for now, but you might end up losing
Cut it off.
one of them.
Yeah, that'll decide on them.
It's trying to get the moment for now. Yeah, but it starts something.
It is. Not bad, actually.
It's It's not a bad tree, this, tell you the truth. Once all these fill out and
Yeah.
get a bit of length on there.
You get it in a rectangular pot.
In a rectangular pot. And just go it off centre.
Like you said.
Why? I'm right sometimes, you
I
know.
know.
But the apex will just make them try and fill it out.
Yeah.
We've got plenty there coming in there. So just let them grow to fill in that space.
Yes. Yeah.
That's about it, mate, really. How you want changing?
No, not really.
Oh, there's your
So
front
just set the branches in it, I mean, for now.
Let all this grow down so it'll fill in here. Or you might. This one here. It'll grow into there.
Right.
Then you've got these couple at the back which will grow down into here, then we can manipulate that further on.
I don't think it'll look like that if I did it. I'd have cut back too hard again. No, I always do.
No, just cut back later on.
Yeah.
So that's just a little short video on Ray's tree. There's a lot of growing to do on it. It was just basic branch placement, get rid of the crap we didn't want in a new Ray pot. So that's it for this video. But as always, thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one. Ta-da, folks! You should have said that. Ta-da, folks!